I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing. So cold, behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night, fam bam. Hey.
Good morning.
Sarah. Good job, Ty. Sarah. Say good morning. Hey. She give up the good morning and take over Wagwan with Tyler. Hi. You guys, how are you guys doing? As you guys can see, we are good. Today should be the last big outing for the kids before school. So that's what we're doing today. We are on the road. Papa and Tyler is heading to the movies because Sarah can't quite go to the movies as yet because she's gonna make noise all about the place. So give Sarah another year before Sarah can go to the movies, and the entire family will have movie dates. So Tyler and Babe heading to the movie, and then Sarah and I gonna chill at the park until Tyler finish. We're gonna meet up with some friends and go to another park. So that's what the day is gonna be like. Just let the kids have the last big run, have the last big hurrah, the last of it all before school, because this week we're snapping the last of everything in the bud and make sure that school is polished and all set and ready to go come Thursday. So have a good day, enjoy today's vlog, subscribe if you're new to the fam bam, catch up and keep up, and of course I'll see you guys along today.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
So we're still in Nice, we're staying in the area. You guys will see the park that we're going to. We've gone there quite a few times. So we're going back today, and the movie theater is just beside. So that's where we're heading. We're in an area called Lancaster where there's lots of it is a mall with lots of stores and restaurants and different other things around the area. It's like a one shop stop. But it's Sunday, so a lot of the stores are not open. But like the supermarket is open until right after midday and stuff like that. So that's where we're heading, Jody. Lancaster Promenade. Yes, Sarah. I see it.
Oh,
So,
by the way, I didn't tell you the...
Even ceilings, I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. No, I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go
Going now? I love you.
I love you. Enjoy the movies. Papa and Tata soon come, okay? Enjoy. Tell me all about it. You have your phone? Mama? Bye. Yes. You're driving? You ready? Vroom, vroom. Vroom, vroom. You're driving? Beep, beep. Come. Me and my girl having girls' time. Having girls' time with mama. Come on, let's go. So this is the mall that we are at. You'll see quite a few people because I am directly in front of the supermarket. And only the supermarket and the fast food is open. So, but there is a little park inside with a slide. So I'm taking Sarah there right now so she can enjoy the time until Papa and Tyler finish, which they'll finish in no time, an hour and a half movie. So we have some time to kill. Nice Langoster. We're going in. So we are inside right now. Like Claire's is closed. The phone store is open. Supermarket is this big place over here. So that one is open. You okay, Mama? You okay, Sarah? It's okay, we're going to the slide. Come on, let's go to the slide. See quite a few stores closed, but a few of them are open. The watch store is open. Okay, more stores open than I thought would. So like a boulangerie, pastry shop is open. Bonjour. Bonjour. My girl gone. This is the slide that she's gonna come down. She's such a brave girl. That was fun. Go, Ali. Attends. Be patient. She's gone again. I guess this is where we'll be spending most of our morning. Good job.
Living life every day, late at night, not okay.
Thank you.
All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
If you ever cry, I bite you. No.
You tell me if you take the camera good time when she are crying.
No. You want me to bite?
Get a close up on what Auntie Melissa doing. Oh my goodness, Mel. Why you can't cry so?
Alright, yeah, sugar and the bad energy you feel like I got. That's all. Bad energy you feel. I know, man. Bad energy. Yeah. See?
Let me get girl in her good up body in her jumpsuit. Hold on, zoom in. Whoa! Back up. Wait, Tyler, I have no idea. Hey! But Tyler, I don't know. The kids are at the playground. All 4 of them are there. Sava? Hey, where's Sarah? She behind you? No, she come up with you. Look if you see her. You see her? Look up. Yay! You have to go again? Bye! And the boys are here chatting away. The girl was asleep. She was asleep, Tash. Put it back so she'll look for. Hey, focus, Amori, focus on the ball. Try score. Oh, keep going, Ty, hurry. You only have 2 minutes left. Oh! Go faster, guys, the money running down. Hit it hard, Ty, hard. Come, tell bye-bye. Tata hug. Tell Anna Amori bye.
Bye.
Tell sister and brother bye.
Bye-bye.
Tell Tonton bye-bye.
Bye, Sam. Hi, you guys. We came back from off the road for a while now, and right now I'm in the kitchen. Busy in the kitchen making din din for the fam bam. So today's menu, can you guess what it is? No? Maybe so? Not really? You don't want to? Okay, I'm gonna tell you anyway. Alright, today's menu is a mixture of a few things. So in my air fryer, I have salmon going. Then somewhere around here, I have macaroni and cheese and creamy spinach. And then somewhere else, I have avocados, tomato, and salad, which is a mixture of arugula and lettuce. And to that, I'm gonna add some sea salt on the salad. And I'm also gonna add 2 more things to my salad, which I love to add. I am gonna add black pepper, and I'm also gonna add some olive oil. And when I finish eat this salad with this salmon, I'm gonna have a piece of brie cheese. That's my go-to cheese right now. Can you imagine Mel eating French cheese? It's happening. Yes, it's happening. You were in a tunnel, so why you get out?
Because I couldn't see the light.
You couldn't see the light, so empty your glasses.
Busy, Papa.
Papa.
Comment tu t'appelles?
Maman.
You hear me? Trouble with the husband.
Bonjour Sarah. Regarde-moi.
Regarde, avocado.
Quel âge tu as? Eh, Sarah, quel âge tu as?
C'est 3 ans.
Croissant.
Quel âge toi?
Croissant.
3
Sarah,
ans.
viens voir. Assis-toi là. Papa va te-
Alright, all done. There goes dinner for the fam bam. And that is a wrap on our Sunday. We had an amazing full long day, and it's always a pleasure sharing our days with you guys, regardless of what is it that we do throughout the day. And not just sharing it with you guys, but capturing these memories, so when the kids get older they can see how much their parents tried their very best to make them happy, regardless of what we have or how small or how big it is. It's always a blessing to spend time with our family and our kids. And hopefully you guys enjoy the vlog. And you really don't need much to put a smile on your face or to make your children happy. Whatever it is that you have, be happy with what you have, be content with what you have, satisfy within your reach, and just live life to the fullest. Enjoy the small things and the small moments. With all that said, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fam bam, and of course I'll see you guys tomorrow.